Good day Nahom, I'm your host Will and Cloud. Welcome back to Mazda 6 or Jacuna video. This time I'm gonna show you how you can remove the glove box fully. If you want to access like your glove box light, which is right above here, or if you want to change the filter, the normal way that you remove fully the glove box. Now what you will need to do is 4 steps. Open the glove box, find this pin, and this, see, like right here, that pin and that pin, and then the glove box should hang down and you should be able to just lift it all out. Now let me show you. Now this on the side, small thing, you just pull it towards the door, so away from it. See, it comes loose. Then you press this in, then you press this in. See, and it comes down. See, it's loose. And then there's a hinge at the back. There you go. I did it with one hand. You can do it with 2 hands. That's none. See? Hinge right here, and this one. That's it. There you go. See, it's just hanging. So you can just pop it in back like that. There you go, you have access to the cabin air filter. The light is right here. There's a small bulb. So that's how you remove the glove box with one hand, and there are the hooks where the glove box is sitting, right there and there. So that's how the glove box is hold up there. If you liked this video and this video is helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and I hope I'll see you next Jacuna video. Bye bye!